Hi there, paddlers. My name's Sid, and today we're going to go through how to change your neck gasket on your dry suit, and just as important, when you should let your pro do it. So first things first, when do you know it's time to change your gasket? You want to look for tears, cracks, dry or brittle material. If it tears completely or feels like it's going to fall apart in your hands, it's definitely time to act. Not all repairs can be do-it-yourself at home. Sometimes, if the tear in a gasket gets too close to the collar of the dry suit, or if the material is too rotted and is falling apart, it's not going to give enough material to secure the new gasket too. This would be the time to send it in for professional repair services. Alright, let's get into the do-it-yourself portion for replacing the gasket and the tools that you'll need. First off, of course, you'll need a gasket. You'll need an adhesive, a spreader to apply the adhesive, and a form to set the gasket over top. This can be a bucket or even a pot from the kitchen, but definitely you will need some patience. We'll start off by cutting off the old gasket, leaving 1/2 inch to 1 inch of material. This material that you leave will be what the new gasket will be anchored to. Then stretch the new gasket over top and align it with the collar of the dry suit. We'll then gently scuff the area that you'll be gluing to with sandpaper and then wipe down with a chemical such like acetone to ensure a good bond. Make sure if you're using a chemical like acetone, you do this in a well-ventilated area. Now we apply the adhesive to the material of the old gasket. We spread this around evenly with our spreader, making sure we have a nice even coat all the way around. Following the adhesive instructions for curing time, we wait a little bit until this gets tacky. At this point, we can now roll the new gasket down over top, lining it up with the edge of the collar of the dry suit itself. When you set the new gasket in place over top of the adhesive, you want to evenly smooth out all the way around to make sure you don't have any bubbles or ripples. To alleviate any ripples you might have, if available, you can use the top inch of your old gasket that you removed and use that as an elastic to wrap around and keep pressure on. Now that your gasket is in place, following the adhesive instructions, please wait your 24 to 48 hours for a full cure. But remember, for bigger or smaller issues, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We can either help you with techniques that might help you do it yourself, or suggest you send it in.